Hello everyone. Well, hi. राधे राधे दोस्तों. I hope everyone is doing good, right?
एंट्री अच्छी है लेकिन बैठने का तरीका अभी बड़ा कैजुअल है. कैजुअल का मतलब होता है अनौपचारिक है.
I hope it's okay right now, yeah? Well, yeah, hi guys. It's me, and I know you're very curious to know who is behind this camera and who is it. Well, I'll definitely get back to you with that. And I hope you understand there's a reason behind me.
आप कौन? कहाँ लगाया फोन?
अरे भाई बताता हूँ, इसके लिए फोन करने की क्या जरूरत थी भाई? Well, हाँ, लेकिन क्या नाम बताओ यार?
तो क्या नाम बतलाऊं?
भाई बताता हूँ नाम. ओके?
क्या नाम है उसका?
मेसी.
हो गया? तसल्ली हो गई? यार मेसी नाम नहीं है मेरा, वो तो ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम है ना? ही इज द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम. कमाल का है, ऊपर से स्किल भी कमाल का हो गया. सो आई कैन शो यू वन थिंग, मेरे ये चैनल के साथ आपको बेहद मजा आने वाला है. जी हाँ, बहुत मजे आने वाला है. या आई कैन शो यू विद दैट. यू नो व्हाई? Because I have really invested a lot of time on this channel and on this idea of how and why and where, in which ways I can entertain all of you, you know, to be the best of what I can do. And I know you're curious to know what do I do, where do I live, and what is my job.
बोलता नहीं,
करके दिखाता हूँ.
करके नहीं दिखाता, कुछ भी नहीं करता.
आ गई तसल्ली? कर लिया हंसी मजाक? वेल इसी वजह से अपना चेहरा में छुपा के रखा हूँ, क्योंकि पता है, आई नो यू गाइस विल नेवर एनकरेज एनीवन. वेल ये बता दूं कि मैं कुछ नहीं बहुत कुछ करता हूँ और आगे जाके आपको ये सब कुछ दिखेगा. जी हाँ, मैं दावे के साथ कह दे रहा हूँ, अब देख लेना.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
वेल नहीं, मैं वो स्टूडेंट नहीं हूँ जिसको डांटा गया था, कुटाई किया गया था. लेकिन मैं तो वो स्टूडेंट हूँ जिसे कहा गया था कि तू इतना पढ़ाई में अच्छा है लेकिन तू करता क्यों नहीं है. यार मैं पढ़ाई लिखा में मन नहीं था, लेकिन एक ही बात खटकती थी मेरे दिमाग में, फुटबॉलर. और इसके बारे में कई लात घुसा चमाट फैमिली परिवार सबसे मिला, लेकिन फिर भी मेरे अंदर की वो कीड़ा नहीं पिया. तो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि क्लास 12 के पास होते ही मैं कुछ ऐसा कोर्स कर लूँ जिससे मेरे को बाहर जाने का मौका मिले. और बस देखने की क्या ज़रूरत थी, चल गया मैं अपने सपनों की दुनिया में, USA. और अपने कहानी के शाहरुख के जैसा, क्योंकि मैं तो खुद के लिए शाहरुख खान ही हूँ ना. मैं पहुँच गया USA. कहीं मेहनत की, कहीं धूप, कहीं छाँव में और कहीं लोगों की भीड़ में मैं काम करता गया. और मुझे लगा कि यही दुनिया है, यही मंजिल है. और अगर इतने आसानी से सब कुछ मिल जाता है तो क्यों ना मैं यहाँ रह जाऊँ. बट यू नो दैट वाज नॉट द रियलिटी. और वो USA भाई, हलवा थोड़ी है. वीज़ा ख़त्म होते ही मुझे वापस आना पड़ा.
End of flashback.
क्यों, मजा है ना? और क्यों नहीं आएगा मजा? ये तो कहानी मेरा है. लेकिन इसमें अगर हीरो को सब कुछ मिल जाए, ये तो दुनिया को मंजूर नहीं है.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And that's how guys I lost my grandfather who was the closest to me. जिससे गाइडेंस, जिससे सब कुछ मिलता था, जिससे हौसला मिलता था कि मैं कुछ भी बन सकता हूँ लाइफ में.
Another one.
And like everybody else, I was lost. I had no idea what do I do. But then there struck two ideas two ideas that struck in my head.
क्या? क्या बता रहे?
जी हाँ, one was to be a model and the next was to fly across the world. और मुझे उसके लिए क्या करना था? I wanted to join the aviation. Yes, with that I started filling up the form and working like the aviation specialist, and somehow again I got lucky. I was working for Qatar Airways. Yes, you heard that right. Well, working for Qatar Airways was no other than a destination that I will never forget in my life. इसी के चलते I got to interact with so many number of people that, you know, kept me inspired and, you know, made me feel that yes, I belong to this world. मैं अकेला दुखी नहीं हूँ, मेरे साथ और भी लोग हैं जिसके साथ पैसा होने के बावजूद भी ये लोग कितना और चाहते हैं लाइफ में. एंड वही मेरे अंदर की जो माराडोना थी वो बाहर को देखने को रेडी था. और मैं वही like I could not continue with this. I knew that there was something inside me that was calling, like there was a higher calling for me where I wanted to be something or someone more than just a normal ordinary. But yes, with that came the World Cup, the greatest event in my life that I will remember forever. इसका कहानी मैं कभी और बताऊंगा, पर ये बता दूं कि इस वर्ल्ड कप के दौरान मुझे ऐसा गिफ्ट मिला from the universe and the world that I will never forget. I could spectate some of the greatest players of all time, जिससे मैं बचपन से देखते आ रहा हूँ, जिसे मैं पूजा करते आ रहा हूँ, the likes of Ronaldinho, the likes of Neymar, Messi, Iniesta, and many other players I remember, because I was working for the airline and I really got lucky that I could spectate this fantastic players. And मुझे लगा नहीं था कि यार अगर चाहने से सब कुछ मिल जाता है यार तो मैं कब का चाहने लगता है ये सब, लेकिन नहीं, भगवान हैज गिवन मी दैट ऑप्शन एंड मैं उसका पूरा अपॉर्चुनिटी का पूरा फायदा लेना चाह रहा था, एंड आई रियली डिड दैट, एंड आई डिड दैट. And when everyone around me just kept on doubting me whether will I be able to watch even one match of the World Cup, and they have also doubt that whether will Messi will live the World Cup or even be qualified for the rounds ahead of him. To them I had just one reply, just one.
Mira, bobo. Anda para allá, bobo. Anda para allá. Tranquilo. Messi.
Yes, that name is enough to say and shut everyone out. Well, like him, like my idol, I shut everyone out with my work, with my deeds, and I was lucky enough to actually spectate Messi leave the World Cup.
क्यों हिला डाला ना?
So fascinating, right? I know it is very fascinating. There's always a saying, if you dream big, if you want to be something, and if you want to achieve something, you gotta do it, and it will come to you.
Oh shit! No! It is possible! It is possible!
So it is that moment. I know you're very much interested to know my channel and the name of my channel, right?
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
No, nothing to be so serious, okay? Well, yeah, this is my channel, DDUKE, you can see it. Well, this channel is all about gaming, football, and complete magic.
Nice.
Well, yes, there's a hidden name with me, which is my name. That is supposed to be an Indian name. So there's a hidden name over there, which is why I have added an extra D to it. Well, with that comes up to my idea of why I wanted to open this channel, but then I was very shocked and stunned that what exactly am I good and what's my talent and what am I supposed to do with it?
बात तो सही है.
ना मैं इनके जैसा भौंक सकता हूँ, nor can I be an inspiration to anybody like this. Definitely not an inspiration like this either.
I'm actually sad that it had to end. I mean, of course.
Neither can I make chai. वरना आज मेरा भी कुछ हो जाता है. I do not even know how to dance this well even. And neither do I want to be remembered in the same books or in the same name as this legendary.
भाई बंदर इस शक्ल के साथ तू मुझे बंदर क्यों बोल रहा है?
अब बंदर हो या चुतुंदर मेरे को नहीं पता, पर मैं तो कुछ नहीं बोलता. Am I as pretty as them?
बिल्कुल चुप करो पहले.
Can I sing like them? And definitely not a tutorial makeup artist either.
अरे एल्विश भाई के आगे कोई बोल सकता है क्या? एल्विश भाई! वीडियो डिलीट.
क्या दिख रहा है?
दिलों का शूटर है मेरा स्कूटर, दिलों का शूटर.
अभी हो जाएगा. हाँ मेरी जान. मैं गरीब हूँ.
सच्चाई छुपाई गई, अफवाह उड़ाई गई.
समझ रहे हो?
सही पकड़े हैं।
तू समझा? हाँ। नहीं, तू समझा नहीं। अब आया ना लाइन पे?
हाँ भाई, लाइन पे तो पहले ही आ गया था. But at this moment I was really astonished and thinking, what am I exactly good at? मतलब, neither am I born with a golden spoon in my mouth. What do I do even?
Come, spend a day with me as a 23-year-old brat who only spends his dad's money. I woke up and had some black...
Because whatever I was thinking to do, people were already doing it. But I didn't know how to do it better than them.
There is no passion, there is no vision, there is no aggression, there is no fucking mindset. आगे स्वाद.
हाँ भाई, स्वाद तो पहले ही दिन से आ गया था, जिस दिन से वीडियो चालू किया. चालू जब किया तभी मेरे को दिमाग में एक ख्याल आया.
तुम्हारा पास कोई ऐसा मूव, एक ऐसा मूव जो तुम बचपन से आज तक करके आए हो, जिसे तुमसे बेहतर और कोई नहीं कर सकता.
नहीं भाई, ड्रम भी नहीं बजाना आता. अब बताओ मैं क्या करता.
इमोशनल डैमेज.
लेकिन किंतु परंतु एक चीज आती है जो मुझसे बेहतर कोई भी नहीं कर सकता, और वो है गेमिंग. जी हाँ, गेमिंग, फुटबॉल गेमिंग, एनी काइंड ऑफ ई गेमिंग एंड फुटबॉल, जो मुझसे बेहतर कोई नहीं कर सकता. एंड आई कैन चैलेंज एनीवन इन दिस वर्ल्ड अबाउट दिस. हाँ, वो अलग बात है कि मुझे फेम नहीं मिला, पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं सबसे अच्छा नहीं हूँ. I mean, I believe I'm the best, and I can definitely beat the best, whoever it is, with time, with dedication, and with all the perspiration that I have in mind. So, I believe, like, in the coming time, like for my childhood, I used to speak to myself that, yeah, I will definitely be the, the inspirational figure for everyone out there. To everyone who believes in football, to everyone who believes that they can do something great in life, to believe that yes, we are not alone, and with the world of manifestation we can be anything, we can want anything, we can want anybody, we can embody to be anything in the world, be it gaming alone, or you can be anybody. You can be a model, you can be a photographer, you can be a footballer still now. I mean, nobody's coming to stop you, nobody's looking at you, it's you who is judging yourself. And 9 to 5 is not going to help you ever in life, or maybe any other shift ever work. Because people will get busy and they will forget you for who you are. So there's no point of satisfying your boss or at work or stressing yourself. And it's high time to just not give up on your dreams. I mean, you can be anybody right now. And there's nobody coming to help you. There's nobody looking at you. You can be a hero. You can be a superhero. And remember, there is an inner child within you that dreamed of being something. So this is all about that moment. It's about being happy again. It's about being the Spider-Man again. It's about being that boss of your life. You are the boss of your life. Remember that. You just do not live to just enjoy your life only on Friday or Saturday. Or maybe go out for a bike ride with your friends on the Sundays morning or the night time. It's about enjoying football every day. It's about enjoying life every day. And I'm not here to just, interact with you in the name of subscribers and the number of followers and number of, the number of views every day.
That's stupid. Use your common sense.
नहीं यार. Why would I lie for such a small thing? I mean, just think about it. You are doing a video, you're doing what you love the most. You're playing football every Saturday, Sunday, or maybe every alternate days. You're achieving your dream. You're spending your time with the most beautiful creature on the planet, and you're not amongst a crowd who is doing, who is going by rules. You're doing what you love the most. You're being footballer. You're doing everything that makes you happy.
No, sir. No, sir. No, I'm sorry, it wasn't.
I know you might be thinking that who am I and what is my real identity, and I'm not going to do that.
कौन है यार तू?
मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा.
यार कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ जरूर है.
नहीं ऐसी साहब, कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है. बस यही है कि आई डोंट वांट टू रिवील माय आइडेंटिटी, ताकि मैं बाकी लोगों से बच सकूं यार, खास करके रिलेटिव और उन दोस्तों से. बाकी आप सब समझदार हैं. I know you're very intelligent.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a.
So I believe that with the coming days and of me posting every day, I believe that I can truly achieve what I want, which is I want to be recognized for my work, for my deeds, and for the work I've done for this channel. And I will truly reveal my identity once I be featured with one of these great people.
खाओ माँ कसम.
हाँ भाई, खा लिया माँ कसम, और मेरे तीनों चैनल का कसम. Truly, I will reveal my. And with that, I want to truly thank YouTube and this platform for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I really want to thank Radharani and Shri Krishna for blessing me with all the courage, and all my friends and family and the people who, made me feel unworthy of my talents. And I really want to thank every one of you. And I want to welcome each and everyone to the Duke family. And I wish and I hope that I can deliver the most and the beautiful content as much as I can on day-to-day basis. And I wish that I can encourage each and every one of you to follow your passion and dream. And I request everyone to come forward and let me know what can I change with your, leaving down your comments. And there's always a room for doing something better. So do let me know what I can do. And until then, keep good, take care, much bless, Radhe Radhe.
Picture abhi baki.
Which each and every milestone I achieve, there will be a giveaway with either one of the greatest things, be it a jersey, be it a PlayStation, be it a gaming PC. Which each and every milestone I achieve, I will definitely give away with this. But before I go, I just want to announce that there is a free giveaway as of now with my first few of the subscribers who let me know in the comment below and follow my channel on my Instagram, and let me know why and who should be the deserving candidate for winning this jersey of FC Barcelona and Real Madrid. Thank you.
Let me know.